Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do a quick hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series. So the first device that we have here is Z Fold 8 Ultra, and if you talk about price guys, honestly I'm really disappointed. First of all, here as you can see the price 8,599 Saudi Riyals for 512 GB variant and 7,899 Saudi Riyals for the 256 GB variant. And honestly guys, at this price I don't think if I can recommend you this device, because honestly we are not seeing a massive difference in terms of, if we let me just quickly open it, we still can see there is a crease definitely, and it's not like Oppo's device, Oppo N6 I believe. On that device there is literally no crease, and that's why I'm quite disappointed. If we talk about specifications, we get a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and 5000 milliamps of silicon carbon battery. That's it about the specifications. If we talk about cameras guys, we get 200 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto lens, and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. So yeah, overall I'm not that interested in Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Let's take a quick look at Galaxy Z Fold 8, which they are calling it wide as well, I don't know. So if you talk about the design, honestly it looks like a passport size device, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate, but guys, honestly this release is not that exciting, to be honest with you, because it's very expensive. And here as you can see, this is the wide one, and in this model we also get a crease in the middle. So Samsung, what you are doing guys? I mean, Oppo, they made a device without any crease, and we also get the same processor in this model as well, like Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite 5. And if we talk about camera, we have 50 megapixel main camera compared to 200 megapixel camera. By the way, all of these have 120 Hz refresh rate and comes with HDR10 plus, which is nice. And look at the price guys, 7,099 Saudi Riyals, 7,799 Saudi Riyals, so which is insane. And here is our Galaxy Z Flip 8, which is my least favorite, but here as you can see, it also has a crease, a horrible crease. So at this point I'm thinking that I'm making this video just to trash Samsung, honestly, at this point. But yeah guys, seriously not that excited about the Z Fold series. So let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me. Thanks for watching guys.